Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are going to make fish rezala. It is very easy to make. Cook it in your kitchen, try it and be mesmerized by its taste. Please watch the video till the end without skipping. Otherwise you may miss some crucial steps. You will find the detailed ingredients in the description below. Let's get started. Take 500 grams of Katla or Rohu fish from a fish of at least 2 kg weight. The pieces have to be cut into a cubes of 2 inch size. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and the juice of 1 medium sized lime. Marinate it for half an hour. Chop roughly 2 large size onion, add 3 cups of water in karai for boiling. Make the flame high. When the water starts boiling, switch off the flame. Soak the pieces of onion in hot water for 5 minutes. Then strain it and keep it aside. Grind 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds and 3 tablespoons of cashew nuts. Then add a little amount of water and make a fine paste. Churn half cup of curd until it becomes smooth. Take the soaked onion and 4 green chilies into a grinder jar and make a fine paste. Keep it aside. Add 3 tablespoons of white oil to a hot frying pan. Fry the pieces of the fish. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button below. Press the bell icon and keep watching more amazing recipes in the future. Keep them aside. Pour the remaining oil into a hot karai and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of white oil and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Now let's add 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1 green cardamom, 1 clove, 4 to 5 dry red chilies and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Fry it until a nice aroma comes out. Make the flame low to medium. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the onion and green chili paste. Stir it for a while. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Fry until the oil separates. Then add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Stir until the raw smell of ginger and garlic goes out. Now add the churned curd. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes on a low flame. Add a pinch of saffron. It is optional. Stir until the oil separates. Add the paste of cashew and poppy seeds. Stir for 2 minutes. Add 3 cups of hot water. Make the flame high. When the gravy starts boiling, add the pieces of the fried fish. Make the flame medium and cook for 5 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of kevra water. Cook for half a minute. And switch off the flame. Give a standing time of 10 minutes. It is best served with polau or steamed long grain basmati rice. If you enjoy the video, do share it with your friends and family. Like it, subscribe to our channel, Recipes Old and New. Press the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. Write your comments in the comment box too. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.